Hey, welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethelene. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the phrasal verb level with. All right, can you just level with me for a minute? What's going on? I need you guys to level with me. Does it look that bad? You're just gonna have to level with him because these terms are completely unacceptable. So what does it mean to level with someone? This phrasal verb is used when you're telling someone the truth. You are shooting it straight to them. You are telling them maybe something that they don't necessarily want to hear, but they need to hear. So in the context when this phrasal verb is used, maybe one person suspects that another person is not being completely truthful or honest. And so they're like, you know what, forget all this. Just tell me what's going on. Just be honest with me. Just be truthful. Tell me the truth. I need you guys to level with me for a minute. Am I crazy or did she just give me the nastiest side eye? In that situation, I suspect that there's a person who doesn't like me. And I'm asking my friends to just be honest and let me know if it's true or if it's something I'm imagining in my head. Because based on how this girl reacted to me, she does not like me. All right, I'm gonna level with you for a minute. The work that you produced was not what we expected. So the chances of you getting the job are slim to none. In that situation, I'm communicating to someone that they shouldn't get their hopes up about getting a job because the quality of the work they produced, wasn't what we were looking for at all. So I'm just speaking candidly, I'm speaking honestly, openly, truthfully. That's what it means to level with someone. I'm gonna level with you for a minute. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button below. Bye.